Hi, I'm Eileen, and today we're going to be going over YLOC 5th grade Lesson 7 worksheet. So let's look at the directions. It says, solve each problem by using the guess and check strategy. So we're going to be going over number 1 and 2 on page 1. So it says for number 1, a total of 33 students are present in a classroom. There are twice as many 5th graders as there are 6th graders. Find the number of 5th graders and 6th graders. So we know here there's a total of 33 students. And there's twice as many 5th graders than 6th graders. And we have to find the number of 5th graders and 6th graders each, and they have to total up to 33 students. So there's twice as many 5th graders. Okay, so 5th graders, and this will be 6th graders. So we have 33 students. So the guess and check strategy, we just guess a number and we check along the way to see if we're on the right track to finding the number. So 5th grade, let's say there's like 11 students. 6th graders, there's 11 students. 11 plus 11, we get 22. We're just 11 off, right? From 33, which is the total we want to get. So, it says there's twice as many 5th graders. So, if we get a 5th grader and times it by 2, since there's twice as much, we get 22. I think that gives us the answer. 22 5th graders and 11 6th graders. 22 plus 11, we get 33. And our answer we're supposed to get is 33 total of students. So this is the correct answer. For 5th graders, there's 22 students, and 6th graders, there's 11 students. Next, for number 2, it says, in a game of cards, Ozzy has 9 more cards than Freddie. If Freddie has 13 cards, what is the sum number of cards? So, Ozzy has 9 more cards than Freddie, and it says Freddie has 13 cards. So we know Freddie has 13 cards, while Ozzy has 9 more. So this is how much Freddie has, right? And Ozzy has 9 more cards than Freddie. So we're going to add 9 from 13. 13 plus 9, it gives us 22. And it asks us, what is the sum number of cards? The total number of cards between them. So 22 plus 13, it gives us 35. So they have 35 cards in total together. So Ozzy has 22 cards and Freddie has 13 cards. That's our answer. And for page 2, we're going to move on. I'm going to be going over 5 and 6. So number 5, it says, Samuel sold 32 tickets. John sold 12 more than Samuel, and Ian sold 7 more than John. What is the total number of tickets sold? So Samuel sold 32 tickets, we know that. John sold 12 more than Samuel, and Ian sold 7 more than John. And we have to find the total number of tickets sold. So we know Samuel has 32 tickets, right? So we don't change anything. And it says John sold 12 more than Samuel. So this is how much Samuel has, and John has 12 more. So we're going to add. So 32 plus 12, we get 44. So John has 44 cards. And we're done with that. And we have to find Ian. So Ian sold 7 more than John. And we know John, the total, they have 44. So we get John's total, which is 44. And we add 7 since Ian sold 7 more. So 44 plus 7, we get 51. And that's how much Ian sold in total. So Samuel sold 32. John sold 44. And Ian sold 51. So if we find the total, we just have to add their totals together. So 51 plus 44 plus 32 gives us 127 tickets sold in total. And that's our answer. Number 6, it says, a cylinder and a cone are placed on a balance. The total weight of the two shapes is 560 grams. If the cylinder is 3 times the weight of the cone, what is the weight of the shapes? So the two shapes, they weighed 560 grams. And the cylinder is 3 times the weight of the cone. So this is going to be the cylinder. And we'll make our cone color green. So in total, they have to be 560 grams, right? So the guess and check strategy, we're just going to guess a number and just check it along the way. So let's see. Since we have two shapes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 560 divided by 2. If we do 560 divided by 2, we get 280. But it seems like too big of a number still, since 280 times 3 gives us such a big number. So what I'm going to do is do 280 and divide it by 2 again. We get 140. And I think that's a smaller number and we could get 560 in a way. So let's check. So it says the cylinder is 3 times the weight of the cone. Let's say the cone is 140. So if the cylinder is 3 times the weight, we get the cone weight, which is 140, and times it by 3. If we times that by 3, we get 420. So let's see, the cylinder's total weight is 420, and the cone's total weight is 140. 140 plus 420, we get 560 as our total. And that's the two shapes, they weigh 560, and that's what we're trying to find. So we found our answer. The cylinder is 420 weight, and the cone is 140 in weight. And if we add them together, we get 560, which is the answer we're trying to look for.